Okay, so in stenciling, it all comes down to your icing consistency. So you can see here I've got a really thick icing. You want it to be the consistency of peanut butter. If it's not thick enough, if it's too runny, you're going to get a smudged or blurry image. If it's too thick, you're not going to be able to spread it across the stencil. So that's why it is important to get the perfect consistency. So that is a peanut butter consistency. Okay, so when you are stenciling with royal icing, you need to make sure that this base layer is 100% dry because you apply quite a lot of pressure to the biscuit. Then you open up your stencil frame. Whatever design stencil you choose, you pop down. And it connects like that. Pop it onto your biscuit. And then I use, this is just from an ice cream lid, whatever container you have that you can create a scraper from, you can. Then I pop the icing onto the scraper like that. I hold down my stencil buddy so that it's nice and secure and it's not going to move. And I actually push quite hard and I push down, scraping across, and I probably do it about twice. You want to be able to see the image. If it's totally covered in icing, it's going to be very thick and you're actually not going to be able to lift your stencil off. Then what I do, so that I don't smudge it, is I pop my finger down in this corner, push, then I lift, and there you have the perfect image. Now with Paint Your Own discs, these are edible and they're made with airbrush color. So they are really nice and bright. I've tried Smarties, I've tried all sorts of things. Nothing works quite like these discs. They are available on our website. So you just stick them down with icing, which acts like a glue. Pop that there. You do not need to put this back in the dehydrator. If you put it in the dehydrator, it's going to over dry and then it's going to start turning yellow, or you're going to get these little hairline cracks around the edges. You just need to leave it out for about 10 or 15 minutes, just waiting for that icing to dry and that icing to dry. Pop it into a sealed bag and it will last a good 6 to 8 weeks.